You are watching part 9 of the full series of interview questions on Grafana, analytics and monitoring tool. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. Explain how Grafana handles time series data and the significance of time intervals in dashboards. What is the purpose of the Annotations data source in Grafana, and how can it be used for event tracking? Explain the concept of Grafana Variables and how they can be applied in dashboard creation. How can you visualize logs in Grafana using the Loki data source? And what advantages does Loki offer for log aggregation? What is the purpose of the Graphite data source in Grafana? And how does it differ from other data sources? First question, explain how Grafana handles time series data and the significance of time intervals in dashboards. Grafana is designed for time series data, where metrics are plotted over time. Time intervals and dashboards help users zoom in or out to analyze data at different granularities, providing a comprehensive view. Second question, what is the purpose of the Annotations data source in Grafana, and how can it be used for event tracking? The Annotations data source in Grafana is used to track and display events on a dashboard. It allows users to create annotations directly within Grafana without relying on external data sources. Third question, explain the concept of Grafana Variables and how they can be applied in dashboard creation. Grafana Variables are placeholders that can be dynamically replaced with different values. They are used to create versatile dashboards where users can switch between data sources, time ranges, or other parameters. Next question, how can you visualize logs in Grafana using the Loki data source, and what advantages does Loki offer for log aggregation? Loki, as a log aggregation system, integrates with Grafana to visualize logs. It offers advantages such as cost-effectiveness, scalability, and efficiency in handling log data for containerized applications. What is the purpose of the Graphite data source in Grafana, and how does it differ from other data sources? The Graphite data source in Grafana is used to query metrics from the Graphite time series database. It differs from other data sources by its compatibility with the Graphite metric format and query language. Quiz time. Let's see if you get it correct. Please post your answer in the comments section. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please mention it in the comments section and we will answer it for you. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews. We believe in turning interviews into milestones.